People are quitting corporations and LLCs these days because of the fact that they're so overpriced. It just feels like outright government theft, like we have on so many other kind of government programs. Hello, my name is James and I'm the founder of TrustStart, and I'm going to talk to you about a less expensive business solution here in just a moment. But let me just kind of recap here what you have with the corporations and LLCs. A lot of you already know about this. You've got filing fees with the Secretary of State. You've got franchise taxes. You've got resident agent fees. You've got all sorts of surprise letters that you get from different government agencies that also want a piece of your money. So what happens, you end up getting nickel and dime with all these different fees over time. You think it's inexpensive when you get started, but when you add it all up, all of a sudden you may end up with $1,500 a year in expenses in order to run that corporation or LLC. Well, some people may say, well, you can get it for less, but the point is that it's not only the expense in as far as the cost, but also your time as well. So what's your time worth in this? So one of the factors here is that because of this expense, people are looking for a less expensive solution. This is what we help people with. They're moving toward the business trust, and the business trust eliminates all those fees. You don't have any franchise taxes here in the state of California. They're exempt. You also save all the Secretary of State filing fees, resident agent. You don't need a resident agent. You don't need to file with the Secretary of State. So the point is that they're much more economical. You get much better value for your money. So the savings are very real. I mean, they're tangible. The benefits you still get the limited liability, you get all kinds of protections, you get anonymity with the business trust that you'll never get with the corporation or LLC. So if you're not using a business trust, I'd recommend that you use one, as so many other people are doing these days. It just makes sense. It's much more cost effective, it's much more economical, not only in terms of your bank book, but also in terms of your time. Again, my name is James, the founder of TrustStart. If we can be of any help to you, please make some comments below or invite us to contact you, or just share this video with someone that you feel might appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next time.